everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts. I am going to be doing a Halloween decoration tonight. And first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to cover my ghost in this Waverly Chalk Plaster colored paint. Alright, so I have my paint out and I'm just going to put a coat on the front of my ghost here. I'm not going to get too in detail because I'm actually going to rough him up a little bit, but okay, I'm going to set him off to the side so he can dry. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little beware sign and I'm going to take my elephant colored chalk paint and I'm going to take this little dabber here and I am just going to dab my beware sign. Just because I don't like the shiny metal, I want it kind of dulled down a little bit. So, just going over it. I'm not going to do, if you can see, I don't know if you can see that in there, but it doesn't completely cover it, but I really like the way that looks. So I'm just going to get a little bit of paint on there, and then I am going to set this aside to dry. Okay, my ghost is all dry. I'm going to take this chip brush here that I have. I'm going to take a little bit of my gray paint, and then I am just going to, I think I'm going to go up and down. And I'm just going to dirty him up just a little bit. Give him a little bit of texture so he's not so bright plaster color, I guess you could say, because it's plaster. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all done, and then I will move on to the next step. Now I'm going to start putting my little ghosty guy together, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this cutting mat that I got from Dollar Tree, and I am just going to cut a little section out here. I've used this cutting mat for a lot of different projects. So cutting. Alright, a little bit smaller yet. Okay, that is good. So that is going to go on the back of my ghost. And I'm just going to take my hot glue gun here and stick a little hot glue on there. And get him to stick. Okay, now that is on there, this is what it looks like right now. What I'm going to do, and this might be totally crazy, but this is my idea and I'm just going to try it out. I am going to take my battery box here and I'm going to hot glue this to the back of my sign. And then what I want to do is I'm going to take these little bats and I'm going to turn the bat with the face facing this way. So this little face, which doesn't look like much, is going to be in the eye here. So I just want to make sure I get that, or try to get that centered decent. So I'm going to stick him on there, and then I'm going to bring the next one around and flip him around. And then he is going to go in the other eye. Hopefully that's in a good spot. Let's just take a peek. Not bad. Eyes look kind of weird. I didn't think they were going to look quite that weird with the glue and everything. Well, that's okay. It gives it kind of a little bit of a mystery. Like, what's really in his eyes? Okay, then I'm going to take these. Actually, you know what? First I'm going to take this and I'm going to hot glue these cords down here. That's driving me crazy. Okay, and then I'm going to flip this guy around, and what I want to do, okay, this one is going to have to get put down here because this one's just in the way. Alright, so I'm going to, oh, it goes right through the mouth then. Let's kind of move this up a little bit. I don't really want the cord in the mouth. All right, I'm gonna stick this up a little bit here. All right, let's see how that looks. That looks better. Now this one, on the other hand, I did not notice is going right through the mouth, so I'm gonna have to pull this one up and hot glue it. Okay, and then now I'm gonna flip him over. And what I'm gonna do is I am going to take the little lights here, and I'm gonna take the back side of the bats, because that happy little bat face just, to me, does not look right. He looks like he's a scary ghost holding bat lights, not cute little bats. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of try to arrange these so that they are back, and basically what's gonna happen is he's gonna be holding these bat lights. So I just need to try to arrange them so he's kind of holding them. Just not quite sure how far down I want to go. Let me play around with this and I'll come back. So I'm trying to arrange the lights, but I remembered here that I was going to put my beware sign on here. So I just need to figure out about where this is going to go. Alright, I'm just going to stick a little bit of hot glue on here. And this is going to go up towards the top. Right up there. Okay, then I'm going to take my little bat lights and kind of go around the beware sign. So let's stick a little hot glue on there. This is the sucky part because I have to sit here and hold it so it stays. Okay, and this little guy is going the wrong direction. Okay, so it's gonna look something like this. So since this is gonna take so long for me to hold all these and glue it down, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it glued down on here where I want it. Okay, he is almost done. The only thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna actually utilize this hole in the top of his head here, and I am just gonna make a little tie to hang him up. So just snipped a little piece of yarn, and then I'm just gonna knot the end here. And then I'm just gonna pull that through, and then I'm actually going to stick that under there and stick a little hot glue under there to keep that under there. Let me just grab, I just happen to have a screwdriver right here. Okay, and then he's all done. I don't know, I think he turned out kind of cute. Turned out a little bit better than I thought he was. I don't know if the bats make him scary or not, but let's take a look with the lights off once, or at least some of the lights. I don't know, I think he looks pretty good. I'll get all the lights off and get some pictures and we'll see how it turns out, but that is the end of it. If you made it to the end of the video, put a little ghost emoji for a comment so I know that you made it through there. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was super easy. This is all Dollar Tree right here. Even down to the baker's twine, the lights, the beware sign, the ghost, all Dollar Tree. So super inexpensive and cute to make. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I upload, and like this video, and take care. Have a great night. Thanks. Bye.